So hey guys, I brought you back in because I wanted you to see how I started the side of this wall right here. And guys, look how cute it's coming out. Again, I went to Dollar Tree and I bought the self-adhesive wall towel. Show you guys, look at this. This is so cool. And one of the reasons why I'm doing this is because the wall have a bunch of imperfections here, and I do not want to pay anyone to come in at this time and fix it. So you know what? I'm just going to put some tiles over that and call it a day. So right here, I'm going to have to cut a couple of tiles up to fit into this space here. I did paint the wall white because there was a bunch of problems going on with the wall behind this. So this is one side of the wall, guys. Look, I think I'm doing great. You see the imperfections in this wall here? I'm just trying to hide that, to be honest with you. And these tiles here, it's gonna make it work. It's gonna do its job. So as you can see, I still need to cut out tile to fit here. In certain spaces, tiles to fit here. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a towel in, one of these, and I'm gonna probably cut it in half, and it should fit right in there. But guys, check this out. Isn't this gonna be fabulous when we finish with it? You guys are gonna have to stay tuned because I'm definitely thinking about giving these towels here that I purchased from Family Dollar for $1 a pack, guys. Now you can go to Dollar Tree and buy the same towel, but it'll be $1.25. And since I need quite a few of them, it was cheaper for me to go to Family Dollar. And I think if you want to save that quarter on each one, I think you guys should do the same because Family Dollar has the same towel that Dollar Tree has. Just remember that. But look at here. Look at here, guys. Look at here. So in the process of me doing these towels, I also painted my cabinet, and I'm getting ready to jazzy this baby up. Check that out. Check that out, guys. Now these here are all mirrors, and I have to pull that film off. But yeah, check that out. So I did one side to show you guys. Let me see if I can pull this off right here so I can show you guys. Once we pull this off, guys, look how beautiful it's going to be. Isn't that cool, guys? Isn't that going to be beautiful? I think it's going to be cute. And I also purchased these and these from Amazon. And I think it's going to enhance the bathroom. This one here also have a film on it, and I can show you that. Okay, so we're just gonna pull that film off and check that out, guys. Isn't that pretty? These cabinets here that they've been ordering, this company has been ordering, I really don't like it. It's, boy, I just didn't like it. So what I did was I took a coat of white paint and painted it twice. I jazzed it up with these silver knobs here, and these knobs were also purchased at Amazon. So I did this side, and next we're gonna do this side. But yeah, just check it out, guys. We are on our way. We are on our way. Check that out. I had to turn it upside down so you can see it. Isn't that cool? But yeah, so let's just finish this thing here off. Hey guys, I brought you back because I wanted you to see this. I'm cutting this towel to fit this space up here on the wall. And once you cut these towels, as you can see, it takes the sticky part off the back. As you can see, the towel literally opens up. Now this here is the sticky part. So the only thing I can do now is just glue this down, right? That way it won't come up. So the moral of this story is, if you're going to cut it down to size, make sure you have a glue gun so you can glue this part back on here. Okay. Okay guys, so I did glue it down. As you can see, it's on there, no problem. It should, you know, stay. Yeah, that's the only thing I could have done at this point. So if you guys can figure out something else to put back there to hold it, please let me know in the comments. Or if you tried this project, how did you do it? I would really like to know. Okay guys, so we have this small piece here, that top piece there, and this piece here. And it's a small piece up here that we have left that we're going to do. But what I wanted to show you again, guys, is that if you're going to cut your towels, you're going to have to glue it together. Because if you don't glue it together, it's not gonna work. So glue it together, and when you glue it together, make sure you put it on this side here, opposed to this little plastic backing. Do not put it on this backing, please, because it's going to melt it. So I want you guys to see exactly how I put it on this wall. Now I'm working by myself, so I only have one hand. So I'm going to try to do the best I can. What I do now, if it don't fit, I'll take my X-Acto knife and cut it down. So, well, I'm not gonna use my X-Acto knife. I'm gonna use a knife that I purchased from Amazon. And I just cut right in the seam here, right in here, just like this. Then I pull that off. And that's how I get my seams to fit right there. Now guys, you're gonna have to try to do something to adhere it in this corner here. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take a popsicle with a little bit of glue and put it right in that seam. And as you can see, it's gonna be a perfect fit. Now, I was just asked how it's gonna do when you turn on the shower. I don't know how it's really gonna hold up to the shower, but all I can tell you is it looks fabulous right now. And I'm gonna hope that it holds up in the shower. And if it comes down, I'm just gonna put some tacky glue or something to hold it down in the back and see how that works. If it comes off the wall, at least I'll know and I can pass that on to you guys. I'm not really worried about the, let me see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, about the 20, maybe $24 that I spent. Because if I would do the wallpaper, I would be basically doing the same thing, just testing it out to see how it works. But guys, this looks so pretty. Just look at it. I mean, it just changed my whole bathroom look. And I'm not finished. I got some other things that I'm going to throw in there to hook it up. But yeah, this is what we're working with, guys. Yeah, this is so cool. Again, I purchased these towels from from Family Dollar. They're $1. If you go to Dollar Tree, you're going to pay $1.25. I did the math. You can save yourself some dollars and just put it toward another couple of packs of these towels. So yeah, let me finish and I'll bring you guys right back in. Okay guys, so the towels are up. I'm going to finish decorating the cabinet, and then I'm going to give you guys a bird's eye view of the towels. The towels came out very cute. It didn't take too long. It wasn't hard at all. Guys, if you're going to try this one, just remember, it's a possibility that it won't stay up long. From what I experienced, they're sticky, but they're not that sticky. So I'm not 100% sure that it's going to stay a very long time, right? So it's up to you whether you want to go and get the regular towels from Lowe's or Home Depot, or you want to use the Dollar Tree towels. I'm assuming, someone told me, I don't know, that the towels from Lowe's and Home Depot is a little bit more stickier. I don't know. You would have to be the judge of that. So just keep that in mind. But so far it looks so cute. You say you're having a party and you want to just do it for that one day. Maybe, hey, just maybe you can you know, use it for that time being. But other than that, guys, they came out really cute. And the count, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 16, 18. It's about 20 or 22 because I have to cut pieces. So I'll give you $22 I spent on a whole new wall. So again, go to Family Dollar, pay $1 for your towels, no more, and you can save a bundle. And this is just some decorations that I wanted to throw to uplift the bathroom. You know, we spend a lot of time in our bathroom, so why not? Why not? Hey guys, why not? I like a pretty bathroom. And I also put up another light, just so when I'm putting on my makeup, I can have enough light. The other fixture that I had up was not enough light for me. So now I shouldn't have a problem with seeing my makeup, and I can have 2 eyebrows that match. We'll see. We will see. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna show you guys. This is so cute. Pow, I just brought it out. But check this out. I'm gonna remove the film from here, and you're really gonna see the look of it. That is so cool, guys. And you know what? You can put this on any dark color and it will pop. I just didn't want to do a dark color in the bathroom. But these little things here is so cute. And I went to Family Dollar and I also bought some of their gray towels, our short bath towels, to go with this look today. So yeah, so we're gonna have a cute bathroom. Yeah, yes ma'am, we are. And that looks so cute, guys. I don't know if you can really get that look or you can really see it, but that is such a cute. I'm going to move you guys back because I need to do this area down here. Remove the film from in the back, and then I'm going to remove it from the front. Put it down. Just like that. I'm going to show you guys how I remove the film that's protecting it. There we go. It's so cute. All I'm doing is lining it up. Just like that. And we have one more. Let's see if I can bring you guys in. It's kind of hard in my bathroom. Just lining it up. Gotta fix that, so I have to tilt this camera a little bit more. All you gotta do is just press down hard so it can stick to the surface. It's awesome. Yeah. Look at there, look at there, look at there. So there you have it, guys. That's my cabinet all taken out. This is the front part of it. Bring you guys in a little bit so you can see that. That is so cool. This is so cute. So now that I'm finished there, I'm going to put my towels up and straighten up a little bit, and I'll bring you guys right back in. Okay guys, so now I will review the towels. Isn't that cool, guys? Check that out. There's the extra lamp that well, not the lamp, the light that we put in here. It's not plugged in because it'll be a little bit too bright. But yeah, I need brightness to do my makeup, so that's an additional light going across the top. But the focus is these towels, guys. And like I said, I'm not sure how long they're gonna last. But wow, wow, wow. Now, those towels also came from Family Dollar. I believe they were $6. They're kind of thirsty and kind of thick, guys. So if you're looking for some towels, definitely head over there. And this is the sink. This is what we did. So I put some of those mirrored towels just to give it a little jazzy look. Put some here. And check that out there. Isn't that cool, guys? And again, you guys, the focus is that towel over there. Look at that back wall right there. So when you come in, that's the first thing you see. And I have a towel up to the mirror because the rest of the bathroom is not part of this decoration right now, this decor. I'm only doing this side of the wall, and later on I will do the other side. So you guys are gonna have to stay tuned for part 2 and 3 of this bathroom makeover. But check this out. Isn't this cool, guys? This is so cool. And I know you guys are pissed off about that towel there, but I can't let you guys see the rest of the part of the walls because they're not finished. And we're working on this part here. So once again, my name is Raza from Raza Journey Through Crafting. Guys, if you like this part of the video, give me a thumbs up. And for my new subscribers, I love you. Come back anytime. And yes, we're going to start bringing it, honey.